automatic cloth washer is one of the most compact and efficient designs on the market, taking up minimal space above and around the filter press. It is designed to run up to 50 horsepower at 1500 psi and is outfitted with 26 nozzles that spray all the way to the edge of the filter plate. The cloth washer shares a drive with the plate shifter. When the shifter locks into place, the washer will not move. The nozzles are angled slightly downward to help any buildup fall down the cloth and into the drip trays.